Hey, my name is Sophie. I'm a customer success engineer and part of the Academy team at Synera. I want to give you a warm welcome to the Synera Academy and the First Steps course. By the end of this course, you will understand what Synera is, how it works, what use cases you can automate in Synera, and how to approach the automation. Synera is the universal low-code engineering platform that automates your workflows to eliminate repetitive tasks, empowering you to be more creative and develop better products faster. The world is getting more and more complex, and so are the technical challenges an engineer is facing in product development. Multiple boundary conditions like mass, cost, CO2 emission, manufacturability, and many more need to be managed at the same time. But standard serial development processes are not meant to handle this level of complexity. Isolated steps of the development allow only a few manual iterations, and multiple boundary conditions cannot be considered comprehensively. At the same time, the time to market is getting shorter and shorter. Products need to be developed much faster than in the past. But are our tools and development processes keeping up? Our vision is that the way we develop technical products will change fundamentally. Engineers will no longer design and compute parts manually, but will be enabled to develop solutions for automated designs using intelligent algorithms. That turns the classical serial process into an integrated workflow with interconnected internal and external tools, handling high level of complexity at speed. Any automated end-to-end development workflow runs according to a pattern. The starting point is input data, for example, goal criteria or boundary conditions. The geometry is created in the generative part. And next, the result is evaluated in the evaluative part. Those parts are run through iteratively. And lastly, the best design is chosen. What you have seen so far can seem a little abstract. That's why we're going to look at some hard facts in the next example. Airbus designed a component for additive manufacturing using state-of-the-art design processes and software tools. 13 design steps, 9 software tools, 30 manual iterations, 61 days of development and 640 working hours were needed to achieve the final product, weighing in at 216 grams. Premium Aeritech designed the same component using Synera's connected engineering solution. Only one design step, one software tool, 5 days of development and 40 working hours were needed. The whole process was automated and the final product weighs in at 125 grams, resulting in a weight reduction of 42%. Let's talk about the practical implementation. Synera uses visual programming to create algorithms that are used to automate these processes. The next short video gives you an idea about what visual programming is and how it works. A node carries out a very specific operation. For example, the execution of a simple logical operation, the generation of a geometry or processing of evaluations. It receives data at its inputs, processes it, and outputs the result. Multiple nodes connected to each other form algorithms. The nodes can be linked to each other via a cable connection. The data always flows from left to right. The output of the first node can be used as input for a next node. When several nodes are linked to each other, a logical sequence can be implemented. If the data for one node is not yet available, or if this node is stopped, all dependent nodes will pause. In this way, we can visually program several engineering steps and even digitalize a complete product development process. Now, all results are available. In this way, complex processes can be run through automatically as part of an optimization. My colleagues and I will be your trainers, and we would like to introduce ourselves.
Hi from my side. I'm Marvin and I'm head of the Synera Academy. After work, I like to wind down with a short bike ride along the river. I'm a very curious person and love to get to the bottom of the things. And if you ask my team, my calmness and balance are my hidden superpower.
Hi, my name is Akhil. I'm a customer success engineer at Synera. You will see me in different courses in your learning path. As a person, I would like to deep dive into the things, and one of the interesting topics I am currently working on is machine learning for engineering applications. In my free time, I usually like to play chess.
As you already know, my name is Sophie, and I'm a customer success engineer and part of the Synera Academy. Before starting to work every morning, I water my many house and balcony plants. I love to deep dive into didactical concepts, and according to my team, my hidden superpower is my positivity. To give you an extra motivation boost, let's sum up the advantages connected engineering with Synera provides. You digitalize your engineering processes and eliminate the time-consuming barriers between your tools. The low-code approach helps you to handle highly complex problems. You can reuse your work and share it with your colleagues. And you have the opportunity to connect and automate your existing tool landscape and through that develop better products faster. Alright, now it's your turn to open Synera and take action. Enjoy!